Two top password managers, Dashlane and NordPass, battle it out. Which one really delivers? On the left, Dashlane, all-in-one, feature-packed, even with built-in VPN. And on the right, NordPass, affordable, modern, and ultra-secure by Nord. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, so you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you. Here's the mind map of everything we're going to compare. First up, price and value. Then security, features, platform support, and finally, user and family plans. We'll cover all the good, the bad, and the quirky, so you get the full picture. Kicking off with price and value, because let's be real, nobody wants to break the bank just to keep their passwords safe. Dashlane has a family plan for up to 10 users, which sounds impressive, and they offer an annual plan, but I gotta say, it's pricier no matter what tier you look at. And that free plan, whoa, only 25 passwords. That's kind of tight. Now, NordPass comes in swinging with cheaper plans across the board. I mean, $1.39 a month for a 2-year commitment? That's wild. Even their free plan lets you store unlimited passwords and use all your devices, though only one login at a time. Sure, the family plan covers fewer people, 6 max, and you do need to commit for best rates, but value-wise, NordPass just wins, hands down. All right, on to security, which is like the big deal with password managers. Dashlane is definitely up to standard. AES 256 encryption, zero-knowledge architecture, and ISO certified. Very solid. But, notably, there hasn't been a recent independent audit, and the encryption setup isn't as fresh as you'd expect in 2025. Now, NordPass uses this super modern encryption called XChaCha20, which is not just secure, but also fast. Google trusts it with the good stuff. They had a SOC 2 Type 2 audit in 2023, so you could say they're keeping up with the times. Plus, more options for multi-factor authentication. No built-in VPN here, which is a bummer, but on pure security, NordPass gets the win. Next up, features. Dashlane's highlight here is the built-in VPN and dark web monitoring. So if you're all about that extra protection, it's kind of neat. You get unlimited password storage with paid, but no digital legacy option, and only 1 GB for files in the cloud. So it's modest for storing stuff. NordPass, though, has email masking, digital legacy for emergency access, which is just awesome if you want to plan ahead, a data breach scanner, and up to 3 GB cloud storage. The only thing missing? No VPN interface, so if that's a deal breaker, you'll feel it. But for pure feature set, NordPass takes another point. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. NordPass uses XChaCha20 encryption. It's the latest, super fast standard, and get this, even Google trusts it for top secret data. Kind of impressive, right? Let's talk platform support. And honestly, this one's kind of nice both ways. Dashlane has apps for pretty much everything. Windows, macOS, Android, iOS, Linux, plus browser extensions everywhere major. NordPass is on the same wavelength. Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, iOS, and all the big browsers. So if you're bouncing from device to device, no worries. It's a tie right here. Finally, user and family plans. So Dashlane steps up. 10 users on the family plan and unlimited users if you swing for business. That's huge, especially for larger families or tiny businesses. Downside? Yeah, it costs more. NordPass maxes out at 6 family members, but it's easier on your wallet, and their business plans are super affordable if you're just starting out. Truthfully, if you want to hook up a big crew, Dashlane's the better call. Now, seeing all those categories laid out, you can kind of spot where things shift. NordPass is ahead in price, security, and features. Dashlane's strong for big families or teams. Platform support? They're both fantastic, so no stress there. So, if I had to put my money somewhere for 2025, NordPass really does come out on top for most people. It's cheaper, keeps up with all the latest security standards, and just packs in more features overall. But hey, if you're running a big family or really want that built-in VPN, Dashlane is still a solid bet. Did this help narrow things down? Follow for more tech breakdowns, because honestly, there's always a new debate. And remember, compare before you commit. Because, you know what? Your security's worth the extra research.